In this video, traders, we're going to look at doing the things that others won't in trading to get you to where you want to be. Stay tuned. Hey traders and investors, a very warm welcome to you. If you are a subscriber to the channel, appreciate your support and welcome back. If you are new, welcome also. Okay, so I know that many of you are traders who are sitting there spinning the wheels, are frustrated, are not getting the results that you want in your trading and you can't work out why. We all know the rules. We all know the statistics, should I say. 80%, 90% of traders, whatever number it is, a large majority of traders are losing money. But it's the same in a lot of different businesses. And I've dissected that. I've dissected that number, by the way, in a previous video where I've talked about, hey, don't be too disheartened by that. That includes everyone from person who just starts something and it's easy money all the way up to professionals. So by the very nature of the fact that you're watching this video, you are already in the upper half. So there's a good chance of trading success. However, are you doing the things that others won't, the losing traders won't do to get yourself moving forward, propel yourself forward, to get rid of that frustration, to get yourself to the next station, to get moving? 5 things. Let's have a look. Ask yourself these questions and be honest about it. If you want to improve in your trading, these are only going to help you. Number 1, am I taking full responsibility for my results? This is something many traders won't do. They'll blame the broker, they'll blame the market, they'll blame the news, they'll blame this, they'll blame that. It's only you who's making the decision to pull the trigger to get in and get out. That's it. Even if you're automating, you're the one that's deciding to put that strategy in place. Nobody else can be responsible for your results. Things happen. You need to allow for them. Black swan events happen. Things go down. Things do this. Things do that. News comes out. Whatever. It's nothing to do with anybody but yourself. If you take full responsibility, you are on the way to getting there, because many traders won't take full responsibility. They're always blaming something else. Markets change conditions. Oh, the news came out. Oh, it was this. Oh, it was that. It's never them. Start taking full responsibility and things will start to change. Okay, number 2, do I have a winning strategy? We talk about mindset. We talk about discipline. But without a winning strategy, it's a complete waste of time. You can be the most disciplined, focused, perfectly executed trader out there, most centered, most everything that you need to be as a trader. But if you've got a strategy that's losing, you're not going to make money over time. So the first things first, get yourself a winning strategy. There are plenty of strategies out there that are winning strategies. You just need to implement them at the right time. That's when skill of a trader comes in. So first things first, get yourself a strategy that you're comfortable with, that you know has a good chance of success in the current market conditions you're watching this, and start from there. Get yourself a winning strategy is the first port of call. Number 3, are my strategy rules written down? Honestly, this is such a surprise to me to this day. I speak to many traders and they don't have the strategy written down. It can't even tell me what the strategy is. They kind of vaguely say it or this and that. Every so often I come across a trader who's like, yes, this is exactly what I do. And I go, you know what? You've got a good chance of making it where you want to be. But most people are like, oh, I kind of do this, I kind of do that. Or have you got it written down? Not really, no. I know, I kind of know what I like to take. Just write the thing down. It's the most important thing ever, because how can you improve on it if you don't know what you're doing? You need to write it down, then you add things in, you take things away until you have a perfect strategy that works well for you in the current conditions that you can execute, build on, improve from. So the most important is you have your strategy rules written down. Go and do that right away now. Pause this video now, go and do it and come back if you haven't already done it. Number 4, do I keep good trading records? Again, so surprising that people who don't keep trading records. Listen, I know the broker keeps records. I know you can download a blotter, but we're talking about recording things like even a basic journal, just knowing what your trades are. These are very similar. I've got guys 4 and 5. And if you're a subscriber here, you'll know that I bang the drum about the biggest way to improve your trading isn't to learn a new strategy, isn't to get better at discipline, isn't to do this, isn't to do that. It's to reduce the amount of losing trades you have. So to do that, you have to keep impeccable trading records. And that means stuff like, hey, I took this trade today, I went at this price, this size, this time, this day, why did I take it, how was I feeling, what were the market conditions, blah 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 blah, all that kind of stuff in and out, so that you know what's going on. Then as we move to 5, you can regularly review your past trades. You can go back and say, you know what, there's a theme here. I'm not very good at trading this specific environment, market conditions. So those are the majority of my losing trades coming from those conditions. Let me just cut those conditions out until I can improve. but magically you've improved your P&L by 25% because you've cut 25% of your losing trades out. It's the easiest, quickest win you can have as a trader. But to do it, you must be keeping good records, otherwise you're never going to know what you're bad at and what you're good at. And you also must be regularly reviewing your past trades at a consistent, regular time, whether that's every month, every week, every quarter, whatever it may be, depending on time frame you're trading, so that you can actually utilize the fact that you've got records, so you can actually then dig in, find out what you're good at and what you're not so good at. So these are things that most people won't do, guys. Taking full responsibility for your results. If you're doing that, thumbs up for you. If you've got a winning strategy, thumbs up, another one, thumbs up. Number 3, are your strategy rules written down? Have you got them written down? If you have, you get a 3rd thumbs up from me. 4, do you keep good trading records? Do it. It's easy. It takes no time at all. You get a 4th thumbs up if you do that. 5, do I regularly review my past trades? Those 2 are combined. If you're going to keep records, you will actually, by the way, if you keep records, you'll want to review because you'll be like, I want to go back and see how I've done. If you do that, you get the full 5 thumbs up. Does this mean you're automatically going to become Paul Tudor Jones? No, it doesn't. But it does mean by doing the things that others won't do in trading, you've got a much better chance of success than they do. Get rid of that frustration, start moving forward, start getting to where you want to be as a trader. Those 5 things. Any more you guys have got, stick them in the comment section below. If you like this kind of stuff, give it a thumbs up so I know that you guys like it and we can carry on this theme of all becoming better traders. Take care. Bye-bye.